Welcome back to the Facebook Advertising Mastery course. In this lesson, we'll dive into Facebook ad creative development. By the end of this session, you'll know how to design unique visuals and craft compelling text. You will be able to understand the technical requirements that make your ads perform at their best. Let's discuss selecting and developing eye-catching ad images. Ad creative is the first thing your audience notices. That's why choosing the right image is crucial. You don't need expensive design software to create effective visuals. Free tools like Canva, Adobe Express, and Trello provide templates, stock photos, and drag-and-drop features that anyone can use. Start by choosing an image that reflects your offer clearly. Use bright colors, bold shapes, and minimal clutter to grab attention. Ensure the main subject stands out even at a small size. Avoid using too much text on your image. Facebook may reduce reach if the text covers too much of the visual. Use tools like Canva's background remover and pre-made templates to create unique promotional graphics. Consistency in colors and fonts helps build brand recognition. Now let's discuss what makes an appealing ad headline and text. Your headline should be short, clear, and benefit-driven. People scroll fast, so the value must be obvious immediately. For example, get faster skin results in 7 days. Upgrade your workspace for less. The primary text should explain your offer in simple language. Focus on the audience's problem, the solution, and the result they can expect. Use emotional triggers, such as curiosity or urgency, to increase engagement. Add a strong call to action like shop now, sign up, or learn more to guide users toward the next step. Avoid long paragraphs. Use short sentences and line breaks to increase readability. Now let's evaluate technical aspects of effective ad creatives. Understanding the technical side of ad creatives is essential for performance. Use the recommended image size, 1080 by 1080 for square ads and 1080 by 1920 for vertical ads. Maintain high resolution to avoid pixelation. Keep image file size under Facebook's limit for faster loading. Check the maximum headline and primary text character limit to avoid truncation. Make sure the creative aligns with Meta's ad policies. Avoid misleading claims or overly sensitive content. Test multiple creative variations, different images, colors, or headlines, to see which versions perform best. Monitoring your metrics will help you evaluate what resonates with your audience. To conclude, developing effective Facebook ad creatives is a balance between originality, clarity, and technical accuracy. Facebook ad creative development helps your ads capture attention and improve click-through rates. It strengthens your brand identity through consistent visuals, enhances message clarity, and boosts ad relevance for lower costs. With unique designs and compelling text, your ads outperform competitors and drive higher conversions. By using free design tools, crafting appealing copy, and following the right specifications, you can significantly improve your campaign results. With creative excellence, every Facebook ad becomes an opportunity. Great ads start with great creativity. Your success begins here. Stay tuned for the next lesson as we continue building your Facebook advertising skills. In the next lesson, we will discuss about Facebook ad policy compliance and much more. Thank you.